Okay, so I'm gonna cut the threads, all the extra threads. All right, and if you see, I mean, I'm just showing you the truth that I even have puckers here. I really don't care. I'm just gonna continue doing it because I'm not gonna redo it. It doesn't have to be perfect. This is the opening. This is our elastic. You're gonna go through the elastic with my big jumbo safety pins that we have, and you're gonna feed it through the gap. Okay, you're gonna feed it like this. It's kind of like when you were doing your sweatshirts, like you lost your string in the sweatshirt. I don't know if your mom or dad or someone has to do that for you, but this is how you can learn to do it yourself. You're gonna gather it and pull. And please do your best to do this, because if you don't, then guess what happens? You ask Mrs. Ng, you ask me, and I'm like, I have so many students, I can't do it for you. You guys, it's not fun, but it's doable. The number one thing is to make sure that you gather and pull and don't lose this, the other end, like when you get close to it. So I'll show you guys what I mean by that in a second. This is the elastic part. And then after this, all we have left is the hem. And I always suggest that if you were at home doing this, you would try it on. Hold it up with a friend so you make sure that it's not gonna be too short. Okay, see? If it came, that wasn't hard. All right, now I'm gonna pull that through. Okay, now, let me teach you guys something that's important. I don't want this to go through all the way. So hang on to that while you do it, because can you imagine what would happen if you lose that other end? There, see, did you hear it? Kind of went real quick, I heard it. Okay, now you want, this is really important, to feel it. You know when you have a pair of pants on or something on and the elastic is backwards and it's twisted, it's really, they're so annoying. So what you want to do is make sure that you have your elastic in nicely. In other words, there's no flip in it. Okay, now, okay, so this is the deal. At this point, you have to determine, you could even try it on if you had to, but you have to determine how much of this elastic do I want to cut off. So let me show you what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna layer it like this so I don't lose one of the ends. And then I'm just going to feel how it's going to be in it. Because to me, that's way too big. You can see it's not even gathered, right? So what you'd have to do is put it on so you can determine how much tighter do you want it. Do you want it like this? Do you want it, how much? And then once you determine how much you want, you are going to cut it and start sewing. So I'm gonna stop right there.